This is Mohammad Shaheen Sharkar presenting my PowerPoint slides on intervention mapping for the workers in using designated crossing facilities in Bangladesh. Here I am showing some road crash data of Bangladesh. You have noticed that fatality rate is very high where pedestrians share the major part of the road crash. Study shows that workers are remaining in vulnerable condition as the highest pedestrian road crossing flow occur at commercial and industrial areas where they actually live. In this slide, I am showing some behavioral patterns of road users, I mean the pedestrians and drivers, and users of existing crossing facilities. In pictures, you see that workers such as garments workers and marketplace hawkers crossing the road illegally. Study shows that despite having footbridges in some places, their uses are very limited. This study tries to understand the behavioral reasons of risky road crossing, also analyzes workers' behavioral issues to find possible alternatives to motivate them in using designated crossing facilities. Therefore, a Bayesian network as well as Combi model analyses are chosen for this research methodology. Bayesian network output shows that few variables such as pedestrians crossing frequency, speed and waiting time have much relation with the target group's risky behavior. Willingness to use crossing facilities as well as the perception of the risk involved without using those designated crossing facilities found very sensitive with their risk as shown in red color in the diagram. Here I am showing Combi model output where capability, opportunity and motivations involved of the target populations are analyzed. I am not going detailing all issues here, but want to mention that this output will help in intervention designing, which will be done in future, and of course this will be done with the consultation of the target groups. I mean the workers. Finally, here I am telling you that this study is actually the part of ongoing PhD research, and this study will help in questionnaire design of self-report behavior survey and further analysis. Thanks all for patience hearing.